Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. What another great week at Victoria Avenue School, and we will now celebrate some of the learning. The students of Room 1 have written, created, and will present their own assembly item.
Good morning, Vicky, everyone. Welcome to Room 1's assembly. Last week was Bully Free Week, and so we decided to share with you what we learned. The different types of bullying, the effects, and what you can do to help. And we need you to help us identify what is bullying and what isn't. Enjoy!
At morning tea. Let's go pick on that new girl. Hey, new girl. Yeah, new girl. What you doing, new girl? Oh, I was just trying to figure out how to do this maths equation the teacher just gave me. Nerd! Ow. Why would they do that? I'm new. Later that day. Let's spread rumors about that new girl. Don't hang out with that new girl. She's a sore loser. Plus, she has contagious diseases. Spread the word. I don't believe them. At lunchtime. Why are you sitting alone? I wonder why. Hey, you okay? No, you want to play ball? I'll give it a shot.
I feel so sorry for that poor new girl. We would never do that, right, guys?
Yeah.
Now we need your help to identify if the other two girls are being bullies. Put your hand up if you think this is bullying. Thank you, hands down. Great choice if you put your hand up because you are right. The way the two other girls decided to pick on the new girl meant that this type of bullying was deliberate. They intentionally caused her harm. All right, time for the next skit.
Guys, what's your team speak? Can we play?
No,
Why not?
because you're girls.
What is that got to do with the basketball game?
Because basketball is a boys' sport. Go be something girly.
Oh, I really wanted to play basketball. The next day!
Aren't you to catch, Samuel?
Can we play?
No, I've already told you. Girls can't play basketball. That's not fair. Oh, it's fair for us.
We're going to play a game over here.
Girls can definitely do anything boys can do. Put your hand up if you think this is bullying. Thank you, hands down. Wow, guys, you're really good bully detectives. This type of bullying involves a power imbalance, which means that the boys thought that the girls can play because they were girls and that girls aren't good at basketball. That was cool how Samuel stood up for those girls. All right, let the next skit begin.
Monday.
Watch where you're going, new girls. Yeah, new girls.
Tuesday.
Oh gosh, why are you still coming to the school?
Yeah,
why can't you go to ugly school?
Wednesday.
What is this you're wearing? Rubbish bags?
Thursday.
You guys shouldn't be here. Maybe you should go find a new school. No way.
One of you has listened, but what are you still doing here? Where's your friend? Maybe she doesn't like you.
Next Monday.
What are we going to do? They keep bullying us.
We definitely need to tell the teacher.
Come on, let's go tell the teacher. It must have been frightening to get repeatedly bullied at school, a place that should be safe. Put your hand up if you think this is bullying. Thank you, hands down. You are right. This type of bullying was repeated over and over again. That was so brave of those guys to speak up and go to tell the teacher. Alright, time for the next skit.
Morning, class. Good morning, Professor Benz. Today we're going to be doing multiplication. 2 times 2. 4. 2 times 1. 10. 4 times 4. 16. Oh, there goes the bell. Man, you're such a nerd. Don't answer the questions next time, or else. The next day. Morning, class. Good morning, Professor Benz. Today we'll be doing multiplication. 2 times 4. 1 times 6 goes 1. 2 times 3. 4 goes 1. 4 times 1. And there goes the back of this.
That is so disappointing that she lost all her confidence. I wish I could help her out. Is everyone ready to be detectives again? Put your hand up if you think this is bullying. Thank you, hands down. Wow, you guys are bully experts. I wish I could be as good as everyone else.
Me too.
I especially like this skit because it showed how harmful bullying can be. I'm excited to see what the next skit is.
What's that smell? Did you fart? No. Whoever smelled it dealt it. Whoever said the line to the crime. Yeah. Let's go, guys.
I loved how the boys joked about it and then brushed it off. Put your hand up if you think this was not bullying. Thank you, hands down. Wow, I am so impressed in how you guys can identify what is bullying and what isn't. This was not bullying because the girls were just hassling and teasing each other. If you're fighting with your sibling, it usually isn't bullying. The boys were not bullying because they were just joking around and were still friends when they went back to class.
There are many different types of bullying to look out for.
If you see bullying, don't be a bystander. Speak up and say something. Tell a parent, a teacher, or a trusted adult. Everyone needs to do the right thing.